In creative businesses, researchers have long thought that creative teams make more viable products when they consist of moderate levels of new personnel who can bring fresh ideas to the table. But what if having moderate levels of new experience among creatives actually lends to less commercially successful products? By studying the staffing choices of scripted comedy television series over a 20-year period, researchers found that television executives were more likely to cancel first-season comedy shows if the shows were staffed with moderate levels of writers who were newer to the industry. In the television business, a show in its first season teeters precariously between being greenlit for a second season or being canceled by executives and left unrenewed. Researchers found that television network executives were more likely to renew first-season comedy shows with either extremely low or extremely high levels of repeat collaboration among staff writers. But first-year shows with moderate levels of rookie writers, new to the industry, were more likely to be canceled. While audiences may have enjoyed the programs, television executives assessed programming with moderate levels of new writers very differently, playing a central role in the production and supply of cultural products. Interestingly, researchers also found that TV shows populated with more domain spanners, or writers who were skilled across several different genres, had both better renewal odds and viewership numbers. In this case, having a balanced number of domain spanners pleased both executives and audiences. Wonder about the relationship between creative team composition and project outcomes? If so, you may want to read this paper.